Good morning, traders. This is Trevor. It's let's see, about an hour before the open Monday morning, August 19th. Hope you had a great weekend and are ready to charge into this week. So let's look at the setup on the S&P and see what we've got shaping up for us. You can see this morning we're looking at a 31 handle gap up. That's another 1%, building off of Friday's, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday's rally back up. So let's see here. Let's look first of all. Let's just check the S&P 500 chart. Okay, so this is the SPX. You can see we bounced down here on this 2920 or 2820 level. Sorry, this blue line is the 150-day moving average. So you can see this has really been some pretty good support. You can see there's support back here as well. But on your downside, this 2820, excuse me, level is going to be really important going forward. The question is this the low on this pullback? Obviously right now that remains to be seen. But this morning looks like we're going to open right around this 2920 level as of right now. You can see here, so that's going to put us up above a little bit of resistance, which is good, okay? And we're heading towards this red 50-day and green 20-day moving averages. That's sitting around 2940, 2950. Don't know that we'll get there today because we're already 31 handles up, but that's going to be your next major area of resistance. So again, that's the daily chart of the S&P. Let's look at the ES because that's going to capture all that after hours action. Again, same thing. We actually hit the 200-day moving average on that big pullback. On that was that a Friday? I think a Thursday. Anyway, again. 150-day moving average. You can see, so this gives us a lot clearer view of the resistance, and here it is. I mean, right here at 2930, that's a big number. Going back here, 2950 is going to be the double top in was it May and June, I think, but it's 2950 area. I think it's 2955 actually. And that's going to be, right where we start to encounter this 50 and 200 days. So that's what you're looking at on the upside. Again, these are larger time frames. So now let's look at the intraday. Okay, so this is overnight. Let me pull this back a little bit. That's a 5-minute. Let me go to an hour chart. Okay, so you can see, we're back here. Here's that 2820-ish level. We're coming right back up. You can see huge area of resistance here at this 2930. We're currently at 2923, and we've just gone straight up now. This is today's session. That's not open yet, but I mean this is today, Monday. This is going to be Friday. Thursday. So we've gone straight up here. Look for some serious pushback here. I mean, what I like right here, you can see we're getting overbought on an hourly time frame here. Wouldn't be surprised to see us probably just kind of hold around here. So what I like today is probably going to be something like either an iron fly in this 2920, 2930 area centered around there. I like selling call spreads up around 2940, 2945, 2950 today. I don't know that we're going to get a lot of move on an intraday to play either straight ES or SPX longs or using long calls. I don't know that we're going to see that because I think a lot of the move has been done today, and it's probably going to be a somewhat of a drift. Doesn't mean it can't drift higher or lower, but I think the major move is probably done for the day. But we'll be watching. So there's what you're looking at. Let me flip back here. Here's the chart I like to use as well, and I know some of you in the chat room are using it, are using these Bollinger Bands too, and I love to see it. This is a 1 and 2 standard deviation. So here's the 1 standard deviation, here's the standard 2 deviation Bollinger Bands. But you can see, I mean, we come down, we tag the single standard deviation to the bottom. We're coming back up, going to hit it right here around 29.23. You can really trade off these levels. So this is something that you probably want to put on your radar as far as if you're trying to trade intraday stuff. All right, guys, iron flies today. I like those. I like selling call spreads above, above the action here again because we've had just such a move. I'm flipping back now to the daily ES. Huge move here coming into resistance. Maybe we get some scalping opportunities on some longs in the day, but not sure. All right, guys, have a great day, and we'll see you at the Open.